Welcome to Phoenix Rising Tarot. Today I am doing a reading for all the Virgos. Welcome, Virgo, to your reading. In this reading, I am bringing in the messages for the month of August for you. Before I get into this reading, I want to make a couple of announcements as usual. If you are interested in any of the services that I provide, please look into the description box. And I am giving away for personal tarot readings once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button to get entered into the giveaway. And also hit the like button to exchange energy with me. All right, let's go ahead and get on with your reading. What do the Virgos need to know right now for the month of August? All right, we start out with open up your heart. We have ground yourself. And we have ignite your passion. So I am picking up that you are a little off balance. Overcome your fears. You are needing to get out and do whatever you like to do outside. If you don't have anything special you like to do outside, you might want to try some gardening or hiking, or try some yoga. That is going to help to balance your energy and just bring it down to the ground. And start to just try to bring everything down and center it more on the earth plane here. You might want to try some vitamins. I am picking up that there are some imbalances in vitamins and minerals. Could be some anemia. I am picking up anemia. So you might want to check with a medical practitioner to have blood levels checked. I feel like that's only going to pertain to a few of you. I feel like that's going to resonate for the ones that are feeling quite weak, more fatigued than usual. Definitely stay hydrated. As far as love, we do have a new person stepping forward. There is engagement, higher level commitment happening for you and this person. I get one more for Virgo. Okay, I got two. So we have retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. And we have give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. I feel like this new person, this new love situation, whatever this is, it will require some work to keep it going. What else for Virgo in the month of August? This reading is timeless, so whenever you come across this reading, it is meant for you at that time. Okay, we have, it's time to let it go. Okay, there is something that is requiring you, or Spirit is suggesting to let it go. I am picking up a past connection. This could be a friendship for some, but I do I'm picking up that this is a past love connection. Somebody that that has told you that they love you. I do feel like this is not a family situation, not mother, father, or sibling, nothing like that. This is specifically romantic love. This person could have been a chaser in that love cycle, that romantic cycle. This chaser quite possibly could be coming in and revealing some secrets. Okay, there quite possibly could be some addictions affecting that past connection. And I do feel like this past person could try to use I love you against you when they come back in. I feel like this past person is going to try to come back in after you have this new person in your life. It feels like this has been a major event happening for a lot of the signs. Here is that Tower moment that I was picking up. We have Temperance. This is the unbalanced energy that I was picking up. You are requiring to adjust, make those adjustments of the 2 cups going back and forth with the water. Okay, we have the King of Wands. This could be a fire sign, new or past person. Somebody's strong. I feel like they might have some power issues, some control issues, some jealousy issues, quite possibly. What else here for Virgo? Okay. We have the 4 of Swords. You have taken some time away from this person. This, I feel, is the past person now. You've spent some time away. I feel like this could be working on yourself, resting, taking some time away for some peace. I feel like this past person came in with a lot of confusion. They could be a drama queen. I'm picking up drama queen, but it's coming up on this king. So however it resonates for you, but I am feeling like this person just came in too hot, too fast. Too hot and too fast. And you were never on the same page. Okay, so in the heart of your reading here is the Star. This connection was here for you and was a lesson as well for you regarding healing. You were requiring a lot of healing, internal healing and love. I feel like you were not passing the test that Spirit was putting in front of you. And this was kind of a last-ditch effort by Spirit And this kicked you into that healing energy. But it was about time. But Spirit is saying this person will be coming back in to test you one more time. Once you have this new person. Let's see what else here for Virgo. This King of Wands could have been somebody that was very in and out of your life. And I do feel like that person is coming in once again. But patience is required here. And I feel like you have a lot of patience. And I feel like it is going to be worth your time. Because I feel like you will close off to this past person. And here we have the Two of Wands. This is that past person that you are in separation currently with. This could also be representing in separation with this new person. There could be some distance here between you or this past person, you and this current person. There could be separate states with regards to you and either of these people, however it resonates for you. Let's get one last and final for Virgo for the month of August. We have the Two of Cups. There is the love. That is with the new. So here comes the new. So yes. And we have strength coming in right behind that. Nine of Cups. So a lot of emotional happiness here. So it looks pretty good for you. Let's grab the last deck here. What other messages do we have? This could be a Leo, could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio as well. Could be Libra. So whatever resonates for you here. We have talking. Somebody is interested in conversing more with you. You could be awaiting some messages. That could be text, could be phone calls, could be emails as well. Let's get a couple more here. We have the Chaser. Okay. So just as in we had the Chaser up here, here's a same message. Chaser is in a codependent relationship. There's fear of abandonment. Okay. There is work that needs to be done for the Chaser and the Runner. That is inner child and shadow work. We have abundance, keeping a positive mindset, manifesting exactly what you want, and also expressing gratitude. One last and final for Virgo. Oh, we got two. Okay, we have I like you. Someone likes you, and there is romance that is blooming. There is fun and flirting. Someone is also wanting a date with you. And we also have love call. Someone is expressing their love. There is a message of love, and someone is also thinking of you and wanting you to know. All right, Virgo, these are your messages for the month of August. If anything does resonate for you, please do hit that like button and also subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you all on the next reading. Bye, guys.